I'm going to share a tool to help you with anxiety. If you notice, you feel worried and find yourself always looking for signs that something is wrong, then this video will actually give you a small way to interrupt that habit. And maybe you notice in different things. Maybe you're constantly checking your feed, wondering what's happening, or scanning your bank balance a couple times a week, or your views, or what the latest news is. What it's like is like there's a worry there, and your mind decides that, I need several things to check, trying to get those safety signals in order for it to settle. And I get it. And it could be from living in a constant state of unpredictability in the past. So checking many things all the time can give your nervous system the sense of safety. But sometimes checking does not settle the nervous system. Sometimes it does the exact opposite. It keeps the nervous system on watch, keeps it alert. And this is something that I work with my clients on and practice myself. So we're going to try this little small experiment. Before you check the next thing, I want you to look at one thing that's already in front of you. Maybe it's a cup, maybe it's a wall. You can even just notice your hand. And then wait for 1 minute, just 60 seconds. Because we're not trying to tell your nervous system that checking these things is bad. What we're actually doing, slowly, over time, is introducing your nervous system to a new habit. You're giving a body a chance to learn that I can handle a little tiny bit of uncertainty without chasing. And then, after the 60 seconds is up, decide how important it is to actually do that check. Because you're not trying to ignore reality. You're not. The world is always going to be shifting. Things are always going to be moving. It's life. It's what life does. It's not going to be steady. It's not going to be permanent. Things are always shifting. What you're actually doing from a nervous system level is you're learning that scanning is not the same as being prepared. We learn through nervous system recovery that more information does not always mean more safety. And that one little moment, that 60 seconds that you took to pause, that is not nothing. Because you just interrupted an old pattern and gave your nervous system a different experience. So every time that you pause before checking, you teach your body that it does not have to stay on watch all the time to take care of you. And what you'll find is over time, those small pauses create a little bit more space between the worry and the action. You're not going to become carefree, but you are learning how to feel prepared without living in a permanent alert state. With this tool, if you use it regularly, you're going to heal a small piece of your nervous system today and a little bit more tomorrow. So well done. I do hope you will find this content helpful. I would just ask, like and subscribe, and you can see more.